Hello traders, happy Monday. So let's go, let's see what are the opportunities available for today in Forex, gold and crypto markets. So first let's check the news. Economic news is available for this week. So the main important news are from tomorrow. So tomorrow Tuesday we have a German CPI. So European news, which affects the euro currency pair. And next is the core CPI in US. US core CPI is on Wednesday. And also the interest rate decision is there regarding the Canadian dollar. Interest rate decision is there. Thursday, you can see interest rate decision on Swiss franc. So Swiss franc will give a better movement on the day. So they are doing a rate cut. So we can expect a movement on the Swiss franc. So you need to be careful trading around these times. Um, so lowering they are rate cutting they are cutting out the rate interest rate. We can expect the Swiss franc to get weaker. So from 1% to 0.75% on Swiss franc. So these are the expectation in the euros. ECB interest rate decision, we have around 3.15%. So you should have to wait and see. And Friday we have no not a big news except pound GDP. So this week seems to be the euro pair seems to be more volatile due to several newses on European pair as well as Swiss franc. We can expect a good movement on Thursday due to the rate cut which is going to happen by Thursday. So let's wait and see. And US core CPI also have chances to make an impact, and also the Canadian interest rate. So Wednesday we have a Canadian interest rate, and Thursday we have a Switzerland Swiss interest rate, CHF. So both these pairs you should have to trade carefully on this week because we can expect a big movements on those pairs. So let's go for the next. Let's go to the technical now. Technical part. You should have to be focusing more on technical now. I think tomorrow we have an interest rate decision, RBA interest rate decision, 4.35. So Euro is just reached the support and it is just simply consolidating at the support. And pound USD is moving in an ascending channel. As you can see, pound USD break the top and it's trying to rebound now. So we can expect pound USD rise. So pound USD looks like a good opportunity for buying. And Aussie USD is just rebounding harder from the support. However, it is still in a descending channel. So we can expect Australian US dollar to we can expect one more down. It's possible. However, the breakout is also possible at the moment. And New Zealand. So you can see New Zealand pair. It was just consolidating between the support and resistance. So a sharp really from the support level. So you can expect New Zealand USG to reach this area. So New Zealand USG is also good for buying, especially New Zealand USG. USD JPY, it's it's completely a different story. You can expect a correction or the consolidation over this support level. Gold. Gold was simply trying to move up. As I said, gold, you need to keep buying between these levels. So if you bought a gold at this low level, it would be in like 3,500 points profit. Gold. Silver. Wow, silver, it's a very good opportunity for silver gives a very good opportunity for buying actually. Silver looks good for buying. Yep, silver looks like very good opportunity for buy. Silver. And next is the USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc try to move down. So we can expect a correction over to this place. On Swiss franc is simply moving up. We'll try to break and then we try to move up again. So pound Swiss franc. USD Canadian dollar just falling from the resistance. So you need to be careful about the Canadian because Canadian dollar have an interest rate. Canada have an interest rate decision by this week Wednesday. So USD Canadian. USD looks like trying to move up. Wow, pound Canadian, pound Australian dollar looks like it reached a higher high and falling down. Pound Canadian have more chance to make a consolidation. It might move up or else if it make a correction, it can make some decent correction. Otherwise, it is in a very strong uptrend. So Euro Canadian uptrend. Euro pound trying to move down. These are the support. Euro pound is at the very deep support and Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand also looks like a good opportunity for buy or sell, but I'm not sure there is no big confirmation. Maybe it can give some consolidation again to the support. So Euro New Zealand, but however it broke the lower high, so we can expect like a retest and move up again. Euro New Zealand and pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand, it hits the resistance and falling down sharply. So pound New Zealand is good for sell. It might give some consolidation, however you can look for sell. Pound New Zealand. Pound out. I think Australian Canadian dollar try to move up. It will move up continuously because Canadian dollar, we have a news on Canadian pair. Looks like it is a good reversal point. You can buy Australia Canadian dollar. If it breaks this high, you can buy. And also there's lower high, then you can buy. But be careful with this pair. This pair keep consolidating more. If Australian dollar got big, then we can expect a bigger correction on this pair. In the high time frame, looks like Australia Canadian still have chance to move down. However, it is in an uptrend, so it is just consolidating. So Euro Canadian Canadian again and again it hits the high and trying to fall. Bitcoin is simply consolidating. So let's check the other pairs. So Euro Swiss franc it is just consolidating, but Australia Swiss franc looks like a very good opportunity for buying because it reaches the horizontal support as well as rebounding from the lower low. So Australia Swiss franc is good for buying. Canadian Swiss franc is also good for buying, but in this smaller time frame, the channel, as per the channel, it broke the support, so we can expect downward movement also. It's also possible. Euro Canadian, as USD Canadian, it's in a strong uptrend. USD Swiss franc still looks like like an uptrend. Still looks like an uptrend. USD Swiss franc. So USD Swiss franc. CAD. Pound JPY. Wow, it's so JPY pairs are all giving a nice correction now. After a good rally, continuous rally, Japanese yen pair all are giving a better correction. Australia JPY is also in a very strong uptrend, I believe. It starts to move from support. However, you should have to wait and see, because today Australian dollar got so strong. Does it mean that it got strong? It's just a strong correction. Our market is still in a downtrend. This 1 hour time frame still in a downtrend. So Australia Swiss franc, say the market went up, can have a chance to make a correction. And Canadian JPY it also went up very nicely. A nice movement happened on all the JPY pairs. JP pair might consolidate around the support. In other hand, Canadian JPY, but all the JPY pairs is just under the consolidation of the support level. Don't consider that it is a kind of reversal. Just wait for the candle to get closed, wait for this week, so that you will know whether the market will continue to move up or else it will fall back again to the trend. And Euro JPY, it is also in a very strong correction mode. And Swiss franc JPY, same. All JPY pairs are in a very strong correction mode. So you need to be you need to wait and see whether these pairs make much difference or not. You should have to wait for the confirmation. This pairs might give a better correction from here. However, you should not buy immediately. Maybe if it move up today, tomorrow if it come down, it might fall more than what you think. So wait for the confirmation. Don't buy or sell at this time. Canadian JPY is still in an uptrend, or it's in a consolidation. This is what I can say. It is in a consolidation zone. Canadian JPY, Australian USD, this is also just consolidating. Euro Australian dollar, it just came down to, after hitting the resistance, it's just falling like a waterfall. So Euro Australian, it fell down today around 2,000 points. So you need to wait for some more corrections, because it looks like Australian dollar and New Zealand are all getting stronger for this time. At this time, all these pairs are getting strong. So need to be careful trading with this pairs. Don't place any trade. Don't consider this is a reversal, because it is in a very strong uptrend. However, it hit the resistance level for 1, 2, 3. It's like 3 to 4 times, I think. It might move down and then suddenly it will move up, and then it will break the top. This is also a possibility for this pair, because still have more room space to move up in the higher time frame. And pound New Zealand, same. Try to move down, but don't take any trades. Gold, it's moving up strictly. Yes, gold. Oh, moving up well. So Euro New Zealand USD. We have a lot of news on Euro pairs, so looks like New Zealand USD good for buying, but not sure. You need to be careful about the sudden spikes or sudden reversals, because as per Einstein law, like when there is a so if you expect a sudden up, then you can expect a sudden down. So for each and every action, there is an opposite reaction. So you need to wait and see whether the market will make an opposite reaction immediately or not. By this week, maybe by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, market is moving up, and suddenly market can move down, 100% down. So you should have to be careful about these scenarios in the market. So these are the pairs which are available with better trade setups. However, you should have to be careful on trading with these setups, because this week looks like Australian USD reaches the lower high, so we can expect one more down. It is also possible. Pound down, Canadian. Silver looks like a very good opportunity for buying. Today silver went up